Patricia here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going shopping for my quilt. Now back in my 2021 plans, I stated that I wanted to make a quilt and that I didn't have a time frame of when it was going to be completed, but I do want to get started on it. But the reason why I hadn't gotten started on it is because I was not sure of the color scheme I was going to go with. So I talked to my husband and he was okay with the black family, and so he thought maybe black and gray. I said black and gold, and he was okay with either. So I went to Joann's previously and I put some clips in there of what they had, and I am now at another store. This store is called Stitch in Time, and it is actually a quilting store. So they have classes in the back of the store, and they have all types of quilting supplies in here, and they only sell quilting cotton here. So that's the only type of fabric that they sell. And I think I've said in other videos that the only place that I can get fabric here in my town is at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, or Joann's. This is another place. It's just that it's limited to quilting cotton only. So I'm going to go in here and see what options they have available to determine which fabric I'm going to get. Alright, see you in the store. Okay, so now we're in the store and I'm going to head over to where the black is so we can kind of see what they have available. So this fabric, it is so soft. That's the one thing I like about this store is this fabric that she carries in this store is very, very high quality. It's thicker and it's softer, and so it wouldn't wear over time. So it is a lot more expensive than all the other stores, but I do think that it's worth the quality. This is another option that I like right here. So this one, I don't know how I feel about this, but I'll put that in the running. I think I might like this one, but kind of looks directional. So are these. It's really something I don't really want to deal with quilts. So we'll see. So my husband did say black and gray. So this could be kind of nice. Again, that's directional with those designs. And not really feeling anything else here. There's a few more options in black. These are snowflakes, so I don't want that. This is pretty. I think this is pretty. I really like that. Yeah, I like that better. So far this is winning. This is winning in between this and the one that was at Joann's. I don't know how I feel about that, but it's not bad. I like this too. Florals. Look at this here with the metallic polka dots, but I kind of want something a little bit more mature than that, but I thought it was cute. Okay, so the quilt that I'm going to make, like I said before in a previous video, it is going to be a puff quilt. So let me show you the type of batting and the type of polyfill that I want to use to complete this project. So with the puff quilt, you fill the squares up with polyfill to get the puff effect, so that it rises above and it's not flat. The squares are not flat, they're like little miniature pillows on the surface. So what I'm going to use is a heavier type of polyfill to fill my squares, because I want the quilt to be kind of heavy, and I don't want the spongy polyfill because then it just kind of bounces back. I want something that's going to be more pillowish. So let me show you the polyfill that I'm going to use. So this is actually what I'm going to fill the squares in to get the puff. And then I'm going to show you the batting that I'm going to use for the back of it.
Yes, it will be there.
Very, very thick.
Online. You know that, yes, so. Okay, terrific. All righty, thank you. Appreciate it. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
And then I told you that they have classes here, so this is the room that they have for the classes. This black and gold right here would be nice. It doesn't have a scratchy surface. And I was thinking this, but it does feel scratchy, so I don't want that. Possibly this, but I like the black and gold over that. I think that's all I like here. So I've narrowed down my choices, and I'm going to insert picture clips so that you can vote on which one is your favorite fabric for my quilt. So I just thought I'd take you guys along with me to let you know what supplies I was looking for so that I can go ahead and start making my quilt. I'm going to take this camera home to show my husband the different pictures of the fabric options so that we can go ahead and make our decision, and then I will make all the purchases and get started. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the section below which fabric was your favorite. Alright, bye.